But the next day, this is where like reality kicks in. Now we are
Still alive.
So now I'm alive. Now
We are still alive.
There's no rope in my hotel. When I wake up, bro, my girlfriend is calling. First things first, made a phone. Shout out to that hand, bro.
Yeah.
Some guy shout out along the episode. She's calling, she's stressed, everyone was calling, texting, but what pinched me a lot was her. It's like, yo, my people, I'm young phone, I should pay the shubile, man. Man, get on Facebook, trending, abantu they're giving me advices, some are bashing me, some are telling me, yeah, I misused money. Which money though? Because I've never even tried.
Oh, you misused money.
Which money? Then now they're teaching me about split sheets. What is a split sheet? I'm coming to show it, not like king split sheet. And split sheets are egg. What are you splitting? Do you even understand what are splits? And now I felt worried. Why you get information in Tola? Then I put there a text. Are short. Yeah. Are short on. Yo. I'm gonna cut a hole. Come on, Sean. Papa or Sean Donna. Because I treated him like pops, dog. He nature like a pastor for the life. But still, I still felt like, how you record coach? None reckless sports scene again. Yeah, put me for sports scene. By the mother, then I found millions from Baba Nanjo. I was like, Ntana,
just balance.
Yeah, I'm patch sharp, more sharper. Because I'm going pair or I need pair, then you transport. I have to eat, I have to get dressed, come and I'm a breadwinner at home. So it gives that thing already. Mom say Alex, and this, Alex and Sentin. Alex and Sentin, he's made it. When I come back at the hood,
because we are suffer.
Yeah, no, fun. Nepasha or you move, but I don't know. I'm going to take your no Uber. Yeah, man, there's no cash. None of you niggas isn't on so called. I must tell us 200 and that spoke the way Marmak Millions and team give a fast. Well, then those things started rolling in my head. It's like, Amona, Hakiako Kazik, if I got it. Maraki Liko, Sentin, and Alex, only the Viano, H1s, or not that. So those things, was
like that thing doesn't even come to like patience, bro. Like
which patience, though? Because we have 5 hit songs.
But how long at that time before you cried?
After a year or 2 years, these songs were made 2020. Then I cried 2023 or 2022. That's 2 years. That I was more than patient, bro.
Yeah, you may think you were more than patient.
I feel like I was more than patient.